Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again and I'm gonna create a nice little look for Saturday lunch. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Yeah. So I'm gonna do something quick. Like I literally don't have much time. I know, like all like influencers. I don't really consider myself an influencer, but we all always have to go. But sometimes we really do always have to go. Like it's just, you know, that way sometimes. And we just have to make it work quick. So I'm gonna actually use some of this palette. This is the Selected with Passion from Zoeva. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Variety is key. And I'm just gonna put this right here. So this seems to be like the all shimmers, which might not come out too great, but we'll just make it work. It's blending really nicely though. Oh, maybe I'll put this over my entire lid. And then I'm just gonna use this to blend the edges to, like, you know, make sure it's not harsh. Like so. This is gonna be like the fastest makeup look. And then so this is this shade right here, which is called a Nuance, and I'm just using it for like to just blend the top part. And I'm holding my brush like to the tip, and I'm just doing like really feathery like motions. And then this is a Ruce 130. That's a concealer brush actually, and I'm just gonna go in the center with Unlike Any Other, and I'm gonna put this right here. This look, guys, is so quick and so easy. And then back to Variety is Key, and just perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and let's jump into the face. I haven't put on my lashes yet because I still have them drying, but we will put them on. I don't know what to do. I do need a moisturizer though. Let's use this moisturizer from Elemis. Just gonna put. I need to take this part, but there's like still like tons of stuff on it, and then I put it back, and then they get more stuff. It's just, you know, a mess, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna use this eye cream from Elemis. Well, I said a little bit, but the amount I put is like literally enough for both eyes. I'm gonna put a little. This is from Tarte. It is, I think it's the Clean Salic Flawless Primer. And I'm just gonna put it just, you know, in my problem areas, which is usually the side of my nose. And I'm gonna put some not concealer, corrector from Tarte. Not Tarte. Huda Beauty. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. Some redness right here. Little. Then let us blend this. But I don't want it to look harsh. Then the side of the nose. And I'm so thirsty. I used to be the worst in putting on my lashes, but what have really worked for me is I put the lash glue on the lash line and I also put it on the lash itself. So when I put it, like the two glues just, and it don't move. Like it's literally there like all day. No. So I got this foundation actually. I use it for my foundation Friday from About Face, and I think this foundation is so good. And the shade range is like what? And the price is even wilder. It's like literally $22. And that might have been, you know, a lot, but we'll just, you know, ignore that I just put half a gallon of foundation on my face. And this shade match is like insane. But, and I also, like when I spoke about it in my Foundation Friday video, I also talk about like how I had like multiple shades that I could have picked for myself that would have still matched. I picked this shade, but I feel like there was another, I think that was the warm one, but there was also like a cool shade that would have matched me, and there was also like a neutral shade that would have also matched me, which I think is really, really good. That, you know, so if you're kind of like my complexion but like a different undertone, like you could totally like still be able to get the same shade but with a different undertone, which I think is really, really good. Because I think this one was MD1, so it's medium warm, but then there was also medium neutral and medium olive, I think. Yeah, so there was like tons of different options, which I think it's so good, you know. Like I know, like I'm light skinned, but I'm not the same light skin as like everybody. Like some of us have like really yellow. I have a little bit of olive, I think. I don't know, maybe a little yellow, but I'm not real, like, because sometimes like if a foundation is super yellow, like it'll be too yellow for me. So I'm more like a little olivey. I'm a little yellow but not too much yellow. Just, you know, enough to be annoying, I guess. I don't know. Because in the past, when I would go to like Sephora or Ulta, like for them to match me, now I can match myself. I don't need anybody to match me for the most part. But Ulta is actually the worst place for me to get like foundation, because the lighting there is terrible. Because then I'll go outside and then I'm like, nope, that's too light or too dark or not the right undertone, and then I have to end up taking it back. And I think Sephora used to be like that too, but I think they've come a long way and fixed their lighting. But now I can just go inside and pick my own stuff. It's crazy. Even my husband can almost pick like a foundation, because sometimes I'll ask him, I'll be like, hey, what do you think? This one or this one? Because, you know, he edits my videos and he see what looks good on me. And my husband pays attention, so to me, like, we've also been together like forever, so he knows his wife. I know, you know, like how I like my foundations to fit. Like, so he knows. He got it. This is from Elf. That might have been too much, but you know what? I think I just need like a couple dots. Last time I wear this, I knew like I put too much, but now I went back and today I think I put even more. And I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set. And I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever powder to set. I try not to put too much of this because I don't really bake. This is from Marc Jacobs, and I know I'm sorry because I think they discontinued this. This is called Whirlpool. That shade, they don't make makeup anymore, which is annoying. I think I need like a little green or something. Oh, this color would be cute. Compassion. This is in the Relentless palette, and I'm just, you could put any color here, or you could also put the color that you use on your lid. I just trying to give like a little color. No, let us, what should I put in my inner corner? I'm gonna go back to the same. This palette is so like powdery. Oh no. Yeah, this is fine. I'm gonna use this because I've used this like literally, and I'm gonna use my Demi fan brush from Sephora. And for blush, we're gonna use this blush from House Labs because I put a pink base, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a pink blush. I need a little of this in here, and I'll blend it up in a little bit. So I'm gonna wear this from Fenty. Which shade is this? HBIC. And I'm gonna line my lip with this from Makeup Forever, and this shade is called Free Burgundy. And then we're gonna touch that up with our Fenty. Oh, let's dust this up. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. Nice, simple, quick look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I be